Hi children, how are you? I hope you all are fine and safe. How is going your studies? How is going your studies? I hope you all are studied well. Let's get back to our Maths online class. The previous class we have studied about expanded form and short form. Yes or no, ma? In the previous class we have studied about expanded form and short form. What is expanded form? A number written in the form of the sum of the place value of digits. It is said to be in its expanded form. When we write a number as the sum of the place values, the number is said to be in expanded form. Yes or no, ma? Yes, expanded form. There are three ways to write the expanded form for a given number. The first one is expanded notation. Yes, two ways. There are two ways to write the expanded form. The first one is expanded notation. The first one is expanded notation. Expanded notation means we want to write the wording of the numbers, thousands, hundreds, tens and ones. We want to write in words. Then expanded form. Write the numbers in expanded form. Expanded form means we want to write the numerals. Short form. What is short form? When we write a number using digits, the number is said to be in short form. Okay, let us write the short form for the expanded form. Okay, children. Short form means first we have to mention the periods of the given number, ones, tens, hundreds and thousand. Then we have to find how many thousand, how many ones, how many tens and how many hundreds. Is that no, ma? Yes, okay. Did you understand the expanded form and short form? Okay, I hope you have understood. In this class, we will study about comparison of numbers. Okay, mama, in this class, we will study about comparison of numbers. Comparison of numbers. Okay. What is the meaning for comparison? What is the meaning for comparison? Compare means ஒப்பிடுதல். Compare means ஒப்பிடுதல். What is the meaning for comparison? ஒப்பிடுதல். Comparison of numbers means we have to compare the numbers. Numbers ஒப்பிடுதல். Okay, a number with less digits will always be smaller than a number with more digits. Okay, this is why do we compare the numbers? Why do we compare the numbers? When we compare two or more numbers to find which is smallest and which is greatest. Okay, to find which is smallest and which is greatest. எது சிறியது எது பெரியது என்பதை கண்டுபிடிப்பதற்காக நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணுற ஒரு things comparison. Okay, நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணுற ஒரு mentality is comparison. Okay, which is smallest and which is greatest. So we have to use greater than or less than symbol. Okay, how to use greater than or less than symbol. We all are familiar with these symbols. Let us now compare number. To compare numbers, always remember the following. Okay, the first one is if two numbers have a different number of digits, then the number having more digits is always greater. Okay, if two numbers have a different number of digits, then the number having more digit is always greater. Okay, one side is 4-digit number and another side is 3 digits of number, means which one is a greater number? 4-digit number or 3-digit number? 4-digit number is a greatest number. Okay, mama, the second one, if two numbers have the same number of digits, then we start comparing the digits from the left according to their places in the place values. In this class, we have to study about comparison of numbers. Okay, comparison of numbers. This is 11th one heading. Okay, this one is 11th one heading. Comparison. 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 OFF numbers. Comparison of numbers. Comparison of numbers. Compare means ஒப்பிடுதல். Okay, what is the meaning for comparison? Compare means ஒப்பிடுதல். Okay, mama. The first one, a number with less digits will always be smaller than a number with more digit. Okay, comparison of numbers means we have to use 3 symbols. Okay, number of symbols is 3. Okay, the first one is greater than. The first one symbol is greater than. GREATER, greater. THAN, greater than. Okay, what is this symbol? Greater than symbol. Okay, mama, what is this symbol? Greater than. Then another one symbol is less than. LESS THAN, less than, greater than and less than. Okay, the another one is equal to. EQUAL, equal to. This is for 11th one heading. The heading is comparison of numbers. Okay, mama, comparison of numbers. Compare means ஒப்பிடுதல். What is the spelling for comparison? COMPARISON, comparison of numbers. The first one is greater than symbol. Yes or no? Yes. Okay, what is the spelling for greater than? GREATER, greater. THAN, than, greater than. The second one is less than. LESS THAN, less than. The another one is equal to. The third symbol is equal to. EQUAL, equal. TO2, equal to. Okay, mama. Now see what is the meaning for greater than means? If we are comparing two sets of numbers or two sets of things or two sets of some things, okay, so we have to use the symbols for greater than, less than or equal to. Okay, mama. The first one, with a number with less digits will always be smaller than a number with more digits. Okay, mama. Then a number with more digits will always be greater than a number with less digits. When both number have an equal number of digits, start comparing from the left hand side. Okay, one side is 4-digit number and one side is 3-digit number means. Okay, one side is 4-digit number and another one side is 3-digit number means. See here, 486, 3-digit number, and 74, 2-digit number. Okay, what is this number, ma? 486. What is this number? 486. And this one is 74. Which is greater? If we are comparing 2 digits of numbers means, if we are comparing the 2 digits of numbers means, which one has the more digits will always be greater than a number with less digits. Okay, mama. 4-digit number and 3-digit number means 4-digit number is a greatest number. 3-digit number and 2-digit number means 3-digit number is a greatest number. Okay, now 486 and 74. Okay, 486 is a greatest number. So we have to use greater than symbol. So we have to use greater than symbol. Okay, mama. How do you read this one? 486 is greater than 74. Okay, how do you read this one? 486 is greater than, what is this symbol? Greater than. Okay, mama. 486 is greater than 74. 486 is greater than 74. Then the next one, how many digit number is this? 3 digit number. Yes or no? This is how many digit number ma? 3 digit number. Okay. 849 986. 986. Okay. We are comparing the numbers, means start by comparing the numbers of the digits on left hand side. Start by comparing of the digits. You can start from the left hand side. Okay. First you see the left hand side number 800. Here 900. Yes or no ma? 800 and 900. 800 is the greatest number or 900 is the greatest number? 900. Okay. So that side number is the greatest number. So we have to use the symbol for less than. We have to use a symbol for less than. How do you read this one? 849 is less than 986. Okay, 849 is less than 986. Do you understand? Do you understand? Okay, start by comparing the digits on the left hand side. Then if they are giving the 4 digit number, means they are giving the 4 digit number, means see here 4896 dash 4899. Okay, now you see this is 4 digit number. Yes or no ma? This is how many digit number? 4 digit number. And see here, this is how many digit number? 4 digit number. Okay, 4899. This one is 4896 99. Okay, first start by comparing the digits on the left hand side. Okay, see the first digit number 4 and 4. The thousands values are equal. Yes or no ma? The thousands values are equal. Okay, so next we have to compare the 100 place value. Okay, then we have to compare the 100 place values. The 100 place value is 8 and 8. How many 100? This one ones, tens, hundreds and thousand. Ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Okay, then we have to find the 100 place value. 800 and 800. 800 and 800. 100 place value is also same. Yes or no ma? Yes. Then we have to see the tens place value. 9 tens. Here also 9 tens. Here 10 nines are 90. Yes ma? 9 is in which place? Tens place. Okay ma? So 9 tens. That's it also. 9 tens. Okay. Then we have to see the ones place. Remaining is ones place are remaining. Yes. So we have to see the ones place. How many ones is here? 6 ones. How many ones is here? 6 ones. How many ones is here? 9 ones. 6 and 9. Which is greater? Which is greater? 6 is greater number or 9 is a greater number? 9 is a greater number. Okay mama? 9 is a greater number. So we have to use the symbol for less than. This is a greatest number. Yes or no ma? This is the greatest number. Yes or no? 4896 is less than 4899. இதை விட இது சிறியது. ஓகேவா? இதை விட இது சிறியது. So we have to use the symbol for less than. Okay, so we have to use the symbol for less than. How do you read this one? 4896 is less than 4899. Okay, 4896 is less than 4899. Okay Vama? Then see another one example. This is how many digit number? 4 digit number. This one is how many digit number? 4 digit number. Okay, both sets are 4 digit number. Then we have to start by comparing the digits of the number in left hand side. 8000 and 8000. Both sides are same number. Yes, 8000 and 8000. So we have to use the symbol for equal to. Left hand side and the right hand side number is the same numbers, means we have to use the equal to symbol. Okay Vama? Do you understand? When two numbers are equal, means we use equal to symbol. When two numbers are equal means we use equal to symbol. Do you understand? Children, do you understand? I hope you have understood. Now all of you take your maths note. Now all of you take your maths note. All of you take your maths note, ma. All of you take your maths note. Take new page. Take new page. All of you take your maths note. All of you take your maths note. Take new page. First of all of you should write today's day and date. First of all of you should write today's day and date. Then you start to write the heading comparison of numbers. Comparison of numbers. See the board and write neatly, okay? Comparison of number. COMPARISON comparison. OFNUMBERS numbers. Comparison of numbers. Then leave two finger space. Then leave two finger space and write greater than. GREATER greater. THAN than greater than. Then leave one finger space and write less than. LESSTHAN less than. Then the third symbol is equal to. EQUAL equal. TO2 equal to. Comparison of numbers. We can use three types of symbol. The first one is greater than, then less than and equal to. Okay, Mama? All of you have it written? Okay. Shall I rub the board? Then write this one next page, okay? Take the new page and write USE use THED SYMBOLS use the symbols greater than, less than or equal to. Use the symbols USE use THED SYMBOLS symbols greater than, less than or equal to. You take next page and write, okay Mama? Take a new page and write this one heading. Now all of you listen, don't write anything, close your note. Close your note. See the board. All of you close your note, see the board, okay Mama? Use the symbols. The first one 86 and 54. 86 and 54. Okay, Mama? 86. What is this number? 86. This number is 54. Okay. Which one is greatest? 86 is a greater number or 54 is a greater number? 86. Yes, see the left side number. The number starts from 8. Here the number starts from 5. 8 is a greater number or 5 is a greater number? Now you are having one hand, okay. Right handல 8 chocolates வச்சிருக்கேன், ஓகேவா. ரைட் ஹேண்டில் 8 சாக்லேட்ஸ் வச்சுருக்கேன். லெஃப்ட் ஹேண்டில் 5 சாக்லேட்ஸ் வச்சுருக்கேன், ஓகேவாம்மா. லெஃப்ட் ஹேண்டில் 5 சாக்லேட்ஸ் வச்சுருக்கேன். இப்போ 8 சாக்லேட், இப்போ யாராவது ஒருத்தங்க கிட்ட வந்து உங்ககிட்ட வந்து சாக்லேட்ஸ் கேட்குறாங்க, ஓகேவா. இப்போ நீ எந்த சாக்லேட்ஸ் கொடுப்ப? 5 சாக்லேட்ஸ் இருக்கிறத கொடுப்பியா, 8 சாக்லேட்ஸ் இருக்கிறத கொடுப்பியா? 5 சாக்லேட்ஸ் இருக்கிறது தானே கொடுப்ப, ஆமாம் தானே. ஸோ உனக்கு என்னது, நிறையா எந்த ஹேண்டில் நிறைய சாக்லேட்ஸ் இருக்கோ அதை நீ வச்சுக்கிட்டு கம்மியாக இருக்கிறது, லெஃப்ட் ஹேண்ட் சைடில் இருக்கிற கம்மியான சாக்லேட்ஸ் தான் அவங்களுக்கு என்ன செய்வ, கொடுப்பேன், அப்படி தானே. அப்போ எது அதிகம்? 8 சாக்லேட்ஸ் அதிகமாக, 5 சாக்லேட்ஸ் அதிகமாக? 8 சாக்லேட்ஸ் தான் அதிகம். அதே மாதிரி தான் இங்கேயும். This is 86 and 54. 8 is the greatest number or 5 is the greatest number? 8 is the greatest number. So we have to use the symbol for greater than. So we have to use the symbol for greater than. Okay, Vama? How do you read this one? 86 is greater than 54. 86 is greater than 54. Then the second one. 940 and 2481. 940 and 2481. Okay, Vama? This side is 3-digit number and that side is 4-digit number. 3-digit number is the greatest number or 4-digit number is the greatest number? 4-digit number is the greatest number. So we have to use the symbol for less than. So we have to use the symbol for less than. Okay, how do you read this one? 940 is less than 2481. 2481 ஐ விட 940 சிறிய எண், சிறிய நம்பர். ஓகேவாம்மா? Then the third one 586. 586. This is how many digit number? This is how many digit number? 3-digit number. And that side is that is how many digit number? 3-digit number. Okay, both sides are 3-digit number. Okay, see the number. What is this number? 586. This is 586. Okay, both sides of the numbers are equal. Yes. Yes or no, ma? Yes. When two numbers are equal means, when two numbers are equals means we have to use the symbol for equal to. When two numbers are equal means we have to use the symbol for equal to. Then see the fourth one. See the fourth one. 9844 and 4896. Okay, 9844, 4896. Both sides the same digits of numbers. Yes or no, ma? 4-digit number and 4-digit number. Okay, 4-digit number starts from 1000. So this is 9000. That side starts from 4000. Okay, 9000 is the greatest number or 4000 is the greatest number? 9000 is the greatest number. So we have to use the symbol for greater than. We have to use the symbol for greater than. How do you read this one? 9844 is greater than 4896. Okay, then the fifth one 6489. Okay, see here 4-digit number and 4-digit number. 4-digit number starts from 1000. Okay, 6000 and 6000. The number starts from 1000. Here 6000. That side 6000. Thousands places are equal. Is that no, ma? Yes. Okay, so we have to compare the hundreds place value. We have to compare the 100 place values. Okay, how many 100 is here? How many 100 is here? 400. That's it. How many 100? 400. Okay, mama. 400 and 400. Hundreds value is also equal. So we have to see the tens place value. So we have to see the tens place value 0 and here 8. Okay, 0 is the greatest number or 8 is the greatest number? 8 is the greatest number. So we have to use the symbol for less than. So we have to use the symbol for less than. How do you read this one? 6400 is less than 6489. Yes or no, ma? 6400 is less than 6489. Do you understand, children? Okay. Now all of you open your maths book. Take book page number 17. All of you take book page number 17. Have you taken, children? Have you taken? Okay, this is for your maths book. Yes or no, children? Yes, okay. This is book page number 17. Okay, this is for your maths book. Take your maths book. Take book page number 17. Okay. Take book page number 17. Here you mark homework HW. Here you mark it homework HW. Okay. Beside you should write today's day and date. Homework and today's day and date. Okay, Mama? Then today book page number 17 is homework. Okay. Today book page number 17 is homework. Are you listening my voice, children? Are you listening? Okay. Today book page number 17 is homework. Okay, Mama? See here. The 20th question. All of you keep your finger on the letters and read with me. You are good children or bad children? Good children, yes. So, keep your finger on the letters and read with me. Okay, Mama? See here. U-S-E-U's, T-H-E-D, S-Y-M, B-O-L-S symbols greater than, less than, or equal to, C-O-R-R, E-C-T-L-Y correctly. Use the symbols greater than, less than or equal to correctly. Okay. See here A 57 and 87. 57 and 87. Which is greater? 87. So we have to use the symbol for less than. Okay. This is homework. Then see the 21 question. CIRCLE circle. THED SMALLEST smallest. NUMBER number. IN EACH each. GROUP group. Circle the smallest number in each group. Okay, Mama? See the first question. A 1000, 1010, 1100, 1001. Which is smallest? Now we want to put a circle for the smallest number for all the questions. Okay. See here, which one is smallest? 1000 is the smallest number. So we have to put one small circle in 1000. Okay, Mama? Then B, C, D, E, F, 2, J. You do yourself. Okay. This is, we want to circle the smallest number. Okay, Mama? Then circle the greatest number in each group. Circle the greatest number in each group. Idla greatest number 1531, 1562, 1503, 1573. Which is greatest? 1573. Yes, so we have to put one circle. Okay, Mama? This box, the first one is we have to use the greater than, less than or equal to symbol. Okay. The second one is circle the smallest number. Circle the smallest number. The third one is circle the greatest number. Okay. This full page, today's homework, all of you do yourself. Okay, Mama? All of you, you do your homework yourself. Did you complete yesterday homework? Did you complete yesterday homework? I hope you have completed the homework. Okay. Now take your class work note. Take new page. Take new page and write this one. Use the symbols greater than, less than or equal to. The first one, 86 is greater than 54. 86 is greater than 54. The second one, 940 is less than 2481. Third one, 586 is equal to 586. The fourth one, 9844. 9844 is greater than 4896. Then the fifth one, 6400 is less than 6489. 6489. All of you have it written, children? Today homework, lesson 1. Lesson 1, book page number 17. Okay, book page number 17, 20 question, 21 question and 22 question. Okay, book page number 17, 21, 20, 21 and 22. This is today homework. Okay, Mama, you do yourself. Don't copy from others. Okay, next one we will see the next class. Okay, children, take care of your health. We will see tomorrow. Okay, bye.